na me yes, Obia here more we are sick. Jesus to cry all carry cross, but when it got so heavy, the soldiers themselves asked someone else to come help Jesus carry the cross. Until we are saying Obia here, Obia. I shall let the Shatta family rest. Obia Usman come and invest. Through Stonebwoy, you met Davido, you met world superstars. And it was through Stonebwoy you have also benefited. Now, the reason why they didn't want to associate their brand with you is the fact that some of the desperate upcoming artists know, omo person money Stonebwoy collaboration now we want fetch the no ajiska. You know sorry and I me say and Samini Kra and me say and a high grade family. The time is now who children Ayisha Modi. Now you nimu. We didn't know you. It is not as if say me as some 18 years old girl being a metehan muse in America. I am telling you the fact. Enough. You are not a good person. Stop claiming you are a good person. You are not. And if everyone is afraid to tell you, me mona make a show. Adia why no e nipa boni sempa no we no. Leave that family alone. Who was carved to child Stonebwoy about school fees? You went to the school. Stonebwoy in school ninti na wo so do back school ni mo.
Yeah. Ghana entertainment industry me dofo. Twasoma me. Yeah. Come here is almost like a week or two need there. Ayisha Modi a hijack Ghana entertainment space no. I was online and no there. Me dofo. Obia no bet my cousin for fro. O denyania. Stonebwoy this, Stonebwoy that, Ayisha Modi this, Ayisha Modi that. Ayisha hijacking a space nama, me dofo ye bi bia emfa. Na dia ba kwa, eye me wan say, ana na mi busa me ho so ne say, enti Stonebwoy oni adofo a omoye ma omo so mani e de ometima be gina Ayisha konso ana because e kam ye say bia ne o makeka kono. Ana say bia Stonebwoy oye gentle to the extent say, wa catch the people around him ne say opa obi a cho. Mo bia ma bonte me kasa. Because Ghana for ma eye ma omonso no omani e den pa. Se wo attack be ma bia. Ghana for ma nso betimi atu omani asiu so ama sabi nsem na wo ka no. What's easy fire? Me therefore me no ka say Mona Gucci aba bonten. Or say Ayisha enkana no ntum. Because ensema Ayisha ekanyina no e kamia say no kra bia nim. Dodo na no kra nim. Near Tosumienu, what said Dientia, Ayisha Aya near Oye no. And besides, and some Mona Gucci didn't know. Mona so Abeki can send be a metaphor. Baby Mona nya some information on so no. Hukakra. Biamuso, young artist now more than upcoming artist, some person many Stonebwoy yenum no. Allegedly, Ayisha edge jiska free san kwalani ho. Se ono bema enkwadane ni Stonebwoy ayenyum. Chese Mona and Sama or nam about Ayisha no medo for no so tia yembe show. Men person me family be bre yemon ra the camp of Mona Gucci show what to need in jejo. Big shout outs to Alex Charming TV on YouTube and I'm so and nya sa Mona Gucci video way. And don't forget to subscribe to the Bonah Show and be part of this bigger family.
Ayisha unye papa. And your friends and people around you who are benefiting are afraid to tell you the plain or the blatant truth. Unye ni papa. A good person enya hwe e mani padaseni. And then omo fall offer. And I'm yes, and I'm yes, and I'm yes, and I'm yes. Ayisha ajinkwa Yesu. Ayisha Modi. Ebusia for mo he video ya yabobo nyina. Ayisha wankasa ensema okokeka wo Dolores show so no. E kire say Stonebwoy MBA na not that am baby sa wusika. We have screenshots ebetimi akan of Stonebwoy appreciating you each and every time. One kasa will be posting screenshots be where Stonebwoy was asking you to even go to sleep. I think you were in America by then. And a who kaso unyan na ye and a Stonebwoy so or that was sick. Say Danny then you know supporting the brand. What do you want from the boy? Ayisha Modi, you see, you are chasing the attention that you didn't get when you were a child. You have abandonment issue. You need to go and heal yourself. and stop this nonsense. Everyone is afraid to say it to you, but me, I'll tell you, because I know you will come and drag me, but that's okay. When you go to bed, that pillow so you say asem no na make catch no unye ni papa. And I mean my daddy lumba $20,000 eto edro man no. And Ayisha modi, why me despite so be papa why ya? Yentimi ntina Ghana ha. Papa, Kwame despite you the yenyu Kwame despite yo. Papa Father Dixon cry ayama nipa no. Ayama nipa no. Eye nipa no eba ebeka. Ayisha modi, this is your problem. Because you didn't get the attention that you needed when you were a child growing up. You were never the center of attraction. You have been psychologically and emotionally traumatized. And you seek evaluation so much from people that you end up paying for those things. Oh, celebrity wepe, now I share that phone, now they're channel, just because you want to get close to that celebrity and then have some sort of love. Oh, papa, now papa, when you were growing up, did you have that kind of love and protection from your father? Clearly, you have abandonment issue. Because tell me, Ayisha, being friends with Stonebwoy, who benefited? Only Stonebwoy friendship, and I said, you being a fan of Stonebwoy, you using the name She Loves Stonebwoy. Up till now, who didn't attempt, who didn't attempt our Samando, but you are still maintaining that your Instagram handle called She Loves Stonebwoy. Girl, step forward. Fighting Stonebwoy. Go and change that name on your Instagram handle. Then we know that now your full name Ayisha Ajete Okereke. Put it there. Leave Stonebwoy alone. Friendship is not by force. Friendship, my sister, friendship is not by force. And now what makes you a bad person? At the Krutia, Mr. Ayisha, papa say, a few years ago, you were insulting Shatta. You were using all kind of ill-cultured, uncouth words on Shatta. Uni Stonebwoy, when a little tantrum, just a little tantrum, and see, even till now, upon all the harsh words you are using on this boy goes for interviews and then he still says he's cool with you. Papa, Mona, I'm saying, sir, you are not a good person. And I mean, I'm yes, Obia here, what we are saying. Just as a crowd all carry cross, but when it got so heavy, the soldiers themselves asked someone else to come help Jesus carry the cross. Until we are saying, Obia here, Obia. I shall let the Shatta family rest. Obia and Suman say come and invest. Through Stonebwoy, you met the video, you met world superstars. It was through Stonebwoy you have also benefited. Now, the reason why they didn't want to associate their brand with you is the fact that some of the desperate upcoming artists, no, omo person money Stonebwoy collaboration now we want fetch the no ajiska. In na stone or tea, but odo a woman won't know. He never confronted you. And you know, if Stonebwoy, a fan of Stonebwoy, mummy and you a fan, also bodyguard, I did whatever. And yes, Stonebwoy and someone so maybe do whatever. And so if you want to attack the person, attack the bodyguard direct and leave the Stonebwoy family out of it. Friendship is not by force. Friendship and yeah by force. Stop using money to buy relationships. Stop using money to buy friendship. Stop using money to have evaluation. What is it? You're not sorry, and I mean, I'm here say, and Samini cry, I mean, I'm here say, and a high grade family. The time is now which learn on Ayisha Modi. Now you nimu. We didn't know you. It is not as if say me as some 18 years old girl being a metehan muse in America. I am telling you the fact. Enough. You are not a good person. Stop claiming you are a good person. You are not. And if everyone is afraid to tell you, me Mona make show, adia wa ye no e nipa boni sempa no we ye no. Jai. Obi say on power than for. I don't want to associate my brand with you again just because it's like all the time, no, you are making a lot of enemies for me. And so I'm going to build my boundaries high so that I can maintain my brand and still will not have any kind of animosity between me and you. And also won't you say because Stonebwoy was already there. On better form no cause Ayisha, but nothing me so. Are they? Okay, just in case. Oh, crash was Stonebwoy so crown as a opener. Louisa say, do you look like Dr. Louisa? Ayisha Modi. Do you look like Dr. Louisa in any way or form? Why? What is it? And you Aisha's friends, none of you is telling her the truth. And she will soon end up being suicidal because everybody is neglecting her. She didn't get all this kind of attention when she was growing up. Of course, school crying, classroom crying, no one was giving her attention. And so, she's fighting for that evaluation. And you people see it, but you can't tell her because of about $50. Who can't amount $50? Aisha would want to give you something to have a hold on you. Aisha tell me $200. So catch me say, many obi ni ko say because nipa ni stroke me timi ko kuma no. And I'm say Aisha, o ka say mama Johnson no me no wo me on. Me mean this agro. If that is how you are going to do the friendship, go your way. So she gives you something and have a hold on you. When you don't allow her to use it whichever way she wants, then it becomes a problem. You become her worst enemy. What is it? Leave that family alone. Who was coming to be a Stonebwoy about school fees? You went to the school. Stonebwoy about school ninti na wo so do back school ni mo. And I will call her one day. Say PTA meeting or say PE4 meeting be. And I think that the parents were not available by then. And there was this small amount to be paid because here you go school and he said, if you don't show up for PTA meeting, there's a fine to pay. After paying that fine, you are here on social media, on the World Wide Web, saying that you pay school fees for CJ and this thing. Who? Delay no but who they see Aisha, I'm telling you, you are not a good person, and I'm done.
Say aquantum abrochi na opese o send sika ko momo number so e wo Ghana and say opese o send sika eko bank account bi so e wo Ghana. Me therefore mame kan for lemfi ema de ntia me kan for lemfi ema nyina ne say o pay money transfer omo exchange rate e was so kese pa e lemfi na ni gisem crack kese ne say wo Europe now we your first transfer with 50 euros amount 20 euros cashback and wo UK now your first £50 transfer amount £10 cashback or Canada any Americans now your $100 first transfer amount $20 cashback nemum answer na benya o cashback no mema remfi say ube use Bonah BONAH as the referral code biemu so say wo America na opese wo ship nyoma e free Washington DC Maryland and Virginia odiane Box Oak Logistics omu ye door to door shipping company me therefore free Box Oak says ya ofro ma woni mra won so no mu gina waboboa no omo be box nyoma ne kama na omo dia call Ghana asumdwe mama omo so eni gisem ba ko e kan woni say ofro ma ka chrom say enam TheBonahShow so na ote omo nka omo so mprempren na omo be chew 10% discount nia e chat woni se o ko Ghana akodi udwuma bia na sabi udru Ghana be Kumasi na udru Kumasi obepe ba bia da mo asomadwo obepe ba bia e 100% security e 100% CCTV cameras air condition chese ope ba bia da mo asomadwo wa obe sorry wait ma ye waduane live to say sabi uti ufie papa bi ma fre Pcash Properties and I say call www.pcashproperties.com